Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad. We'll start by gathering our ingredients, which are mostly common items you likely have on hand. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your macaroni salad turns out perfectly creamy and flavorful every time. It's a fantastic dish for picnics, potlucks, or a simple side at home, always a crowd pleaser. First, bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Add 8 ounces of elbow macaroni and cook according to package directions, usually for about 7 to 9 minutes, until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain the macaroni well and rinse it under cold water. This stops the cooking process and prevents the pasta from sticking together, ensuring a lovely texture. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then, gently fold in 1/4 cup of finely diced celery and 1/4 cup of diced red onion. This combination provides a wonderful balance of tang, sweetness, and crunch. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, gently combine your cooled, cooked macaroni with the creamy dressing mixture. Stir everything thoroughly until every piece of macaroni is beautifully coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the macaroni salad in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld together perfectly, making it ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.